How to find square root of 529 by long division method. Make a pair. First make a pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, then this is your second pair. In second pair you have just one digit. Now target this first pair, that is 5. Consider here a number whose square will be equal to 5 or nearest to 5. If you place here 3, and 3 square equal to 9, which is greater than 5, so 3 is not correct. Place here 2 square equal to 4. Okay, so which is near to 5. If you place 2 here, these 2 must come to the quotient side also. 2 times 2, 4. Subtract, you are getting here 1. Bring down the next pair. You have placed 2 in the quotient, so same number will come under the divisor and add 2 plus 2, 4. Now you have to place here a number. This number must come also here. You need to multiply this times this. Look, 4, then you need to multiply by this. Consider here a number. Let's say I am placing here 3. So 3 times 3, 9, and 3 times 4, 12. 129, which is equal to this. That is, if I place here 3, this 3 must come here. Then 3 times 43, that gives you 129. Subtract, you are 0. As your remainder is 0, you are done. To check your answer, look, you have placed here 3, the digit 3. So 3 must come under this divisor. 3 plus 3, 6, and 4. Look, the double of 23, is 46. So we can say that our answer 23 is correct. So the square root of 529 is 23.